Hey y'all. Okay, so today we're going to be doing Munch Pak. Oh, y'all can. Alright y'all, so this is the mini box. So my next order with Munch Pak, because I was supposed to do this video with her mom, my friend Neek. But the box is so small, I said I'm going to just do it with her. It was her idea. She was like, why don't you just do it with me? So I'm going to do the bigger box next month, because this one is $10 a month. And the bigger box is $24 a month. So, well, $23.95 a month. So this one is really mini, so we're about to try it. But this is how it looks, Munch Pak. And Munch Pak is snacks all around the world, but I think they got a little card in here so I can tell y'all more about it. So it's a subscription box, and you can just order snacks, single snacks if you want. You don't have to get a subscription if you want to. If you don't want to get the subscription, you can just order the snacks by itself, single-handedly. Alright, got the plastic off. This is how it looks. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm all bumping the table. And then you just open it up. See, I got a discount on mine because I used Prissy P code. I got $5 off for y'all, so I gotta put the link in. So open the description box. So it says enter to win 3-month. Ooh, okay. 3-month subscription. So I gotta take a picture or record a video, share it on social media, and use hashtag Munch Pak. New winners announced the 25th of every month. Okay. That's how it looks. Looks like that. I always wanted to try these. I always see YouTubers, the main YouTuber that I always see is Prissy P. She had stopped doing them because she moved and she just started again. That's what made me try it again. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm scared. What I see in here. So the first thing I see when I open it up, I see my man Biggie.
Biggie Small.
Yes. Okay, so this is how the booklet looks. It says Munch Pak, and it just has, so the ones we're eating today is Germany, Turkey, Italy, and more. I don't know if that's the ones just for today or they're just saying that that's what they had.
I thought it was actually turkey in there. This is a turkey.
Didn't I just feed you? Don't act like you ain't eat.
I'm just saying, I thought it was actual turkey in there.
No, that's funny because with me, we was going to Turks and Caicos. My dad thought we were saying we going to Turkey. I was like, no, Dad, Turks and Caicos.
Cut that part out.
No. Should I cut? Oh my God. Okay, y'all. So how I'm gonna do it is I'm gonna just read off each one I grabbed that we're gonna do. So the first one we're gonna do. Or you want to choose which one we're gonna do, or you want to do that one first? I'm gonna let her choose.
Yeah, we can do this one.
Okay. So the first one we're gonna do is the Wrap Snacks. They're Wrap Snacks icon, Notorious B.I.G. Cookout barbecue sauce potato chips. Okay, they look like they're gonna be good. So this one is from the United States.
Oh.
It says these crisp and crunchy chips are flavored with a big mix of sweet and smoky barbecue seasonings that will transport you to a backyard summer cookout. Okay. All right. I'll let you grab one first. So this one is from the United States.
Okay, so I don't need to.
Smell like barbecue chips.
Oh, this is big.
Ready?
3.
These are sweet barbecue chips that I like. I go funny barbecue ones. They're good. They're good.
They are good.
The next one, well, I don't know if I'm gonna like these. I really don't like nuts. We got these. They're the Ziggy marinated nacho cheese peanuts. Oh, they nacho cheese, so I might like them. So these are from Bulgaria. Ziggy marinated peanut assorted flavors. These marinated peanuts are loaded with smooth and savory flavors, and this protein-rich snack that keeps your belly full and your energy high. From Bulgaria. Oh, I didn't even tell you how you was doing this video with me. I gotta let her know I'm ordering the other ones. All right, so we see here. Look, when people be doing these videos, they be acting like they're so hard to get open. You want just one?
I'm scared.
Yeah, stick your finger in there. Try to grab one. bread.
Wait, is it a cheese in there?
They're nacho cheese. You're not allergic to cheese? You saying like you allergic or something?
Mm-mm.
You scared?
Yeah.
Me too, because I don't really care. You like peanuts? Me neither. But I like cheese. Okay, ready?
They taste like sunflower seeds.
Yeah. Or like regular peanuts. So I can eat these without opening the shell because I'm addicted to sunflower seeds. They good.
Yeah, it tastes like sunflower.
This is a nice little snack. So Sam, if I wanted to just order one of these or one bag of chips, I don't have to get the subscription box. I can just order like one if I wanted to. So the next one, you want to pick the next one?
Ooh, you say the best.
Because I didn't look at them. So I think I got, we got 5 snacks. They sent 5.
There's 2 more left. So I want to try.
Well, I think I saw Prissy P. One of them try that one. Wait, let me put my hand outside. What's that one called?
It's called.
It's like a Nutella. What is it?
It's like a Nutella. What?
Hanuta?
Oh.
Hanuta. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong.
It's 2 of them, so that's
Oh,
good.
it's 2. Hanuta. But we're going to break it in half. You don't going to eat the whole one, are you?
I don't know.
If you
I
like it, you can have it. Hanuta wafer. So this one is from Germany. It's a smooth and rich tasting hazelnut filling and sandwiched between some seriously delicious vanilla wafers. This makes a perfectly sweet snack. This would be great with coffee. And you know what? I like the strawberry wafers and the regular vanilla wafers. So
yeah,
this might be good.
Wafers.
And I like hazelnut coffee, but I don't know. Let's see. For now, we're just gonna break it in half. And if we like,
and it
comes in a packet like this.
Oh, that's good.
So they little. Oh yeah. So it's 2. Is this one? Oh yeah, they little. So we both can have one.
Okay.
Yeah, they're little. I thought it was gonna be big.
Yeah, me too.
And once again, this is how it looks. I don't know if y'all really saw it. There we go.
That's why they was packaged.
Yeah. All right.
It smells so good.
Yep, it does. It smells good. I think it's gonna taste like that big wafer. I can't think what it's called. You ready?
That is good. It tastes like an
Ooh,
Oreo.
it's sweet. It's rich. It got
tastes like an Oreo.
You think? It's real chocolatey. It got like some kind of chip in here, like a crunch inside.
Yeah, I think it tastes like an Oreo.
I can't eat the whole thing right now. It's too sweet. It is good though.
Yeah, I feel it.
Okay. Next one.
No, that's Oreo.
Yeah, these probably do taste like Oreo. The next one is these. They're called the Rono. I thought it said Rona. I was there.
I was walking past grandma.
Yeah, they look what they say. They say Rono. Okay, this is, it would say Nefis Rono Cocoa Cookies. Chocolate cookies sandwiching delicious creamy vanilla cream. These cookies are bursting with chocolate and vanilla flavor, reminding us of why we love it so much. This is from Moldova? Okay.
I ate mine.
I gotta look up Moldova. Maybe I'm going to be visiting there. Oh, yeah, take one. Oh, I like the way they look.
Ooh, that's
They
cool.
look so cute. Oh, they look cute.
3, 2, 1, go.
Ooh. Here, wrap that with my front teeth. Finna broke them. He's good. I like them. They taste like an off-brand Oreo, like an off-brand cookie or something. You don't like it? They taste like an off-brand.
I still eat it, but it wouldn't be like something that I would eat all the time.
So our last snack, and this is how the box looks, so y'all can see all inside. I can't wait to try more when we get more of the big box. Okay, so this one is, this seems like it's gonna taste like those sour candies.
Oh, my mom wouldn't like that. watermelon.
This is it watermelon?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, it's watermelon. Watermelon. Cindy.
No, I'll eat the whole thing.
So, where is this at? I don't see these. Oh, right here. So, these are called the Finny Roller Tutti Frutti or watermelon flavor from Spain. I want to go to Spain. With grapefruit flavors like a mix of apple, strawberry, raspberry, and lemon or watermelon. This extra sour gummy belt is ready to be unrolled and enjoyed.
This reminds me of a sour fruit roll-up.
Yeah, or you know, what are those little long
The
sour
gum?
strings? No, the sour string candy. They
The-
look
the
like a
airhead?
snake. Yeah, those.
Oh.
That's what I think they're gonna taste like.
my mom boyfriend like those.
Alright. Ooh, it's really sticky, Kay. Go ahead.
Oh, this
Pull
is
as much as
sweet.
you want.
This gonna be sweet.
Alright.
I might have a sweet too.
Oh yeah, we gotta let my mom try some of this stuff.
Yeah.
Not that sour, not that sour. That's good. I wanna know if you should have.
You wanna know what they taste like?
What?
The watermelon Sour Patch Kids.
Yes, they do. They do.
I would take more of this.
Yeah, they do. They do. We're gonna have a sugar rush,
It's a
guys.
bunch of sugar falling from it.
Okay. I got bacon right away. It's so good. Well, my hair is looking a mess because I combed out all my curls. Well, some stuff in there, but it's so good. Okay, so we're gonna rate them. So the first snack we tried, out of 1 to 10, 10 being the highest. What you get these?
Probably like an 8.
I'll give them a 10 because I love anything that's honey barbecue. Whenever I get chips, I get honey barbecue chips. So I'll give them a 10. What we try second? This?
No, the peanuts.
Oh, the peanuts.
I'm
I'm gonna give them a 5. Jinx. Y'all, this is my mini-me. This is my twin. Leave us a comment if we look alike and if we act alike.
We both said 5 at the same time.
Even her own mom called her little Tasha. Yes, a 5. Because we don't really like peanuts, so we halved it out. What's the second one we tried? The wafer, right?
Mhm.
The wafer, I'm going to get that a 4. I really didn't like that.
I really loved it. I would give it a 9.
Okay. I really didn't like the wafer. What's the second one? This one?
Mhm.
I'll give these a 7. I'll give a 6. A 6 because they taste off-brand. They just taste like an off. If y'all ever have like an off-brand Oreo or something from like Save-A-Lot, that's what it tastes like.
I didn't like it. I give it a 2.
Dang, for real, these?
I did not like it.
I give these a 10.
Yes, 10.
We're going to tear these up.
Yep.
I'll give these a 10.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, I
It's so
can't,
good.
I can't wait till next month.
We need to save some for Miss
Or maybe
Diane.
next month me, you and your mom can do it. Because it's
Cause I was
10.
about to say, I'm coming with my mom.
Next month is going to be 10 snacks. I hope they send something. They supposed to send something different each time, so. Okay, y'all.
This is so good.
So,
now I'm getting some with barbecue.
Try Munch Pak out. Try them out to do a subscription. I mean, it's good content for your channel if you have a YouTube channel or whatever. But I thought they were good. So I can't wait till next month. Stay tuned for next month. We're going to be doing 10 snacks. And I have a code, $5 off. Y'all get $5 off your first subscription when you sign up. So I'll leave it in the description. So, anywho, if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell so you'll know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see Munch Pak and so someone else can see Taste Testing with Tasha featuring Kay. And that when I get good treats that I like to eat, I'll let y'all know how they taste.
That wrong.
Leave me a comment. Let me know how y'all like this video. And let me know what snack did y'all think would be the best.
It definitely did.
Yeah, let me know when y'all saw the snacks. Let us know what y'all think would be the best or what would y'all like out of all these snacks. And until next time, love you guys, y'all. Buy my fashion styles. Bye, y'all.
Bye.